Next topic is, why is separation necessary? Why is separation necessary? Why is separation necessary? Okay. Separation of mixtures into their components is often necessary for several reasons. Okay. These are as follow. So let us talk about all the reason. So because we separate the components of mixture. Okay. Separation of mixture into their components is often necessary for several reasons. Okay, let us talk about first reason. To remove undesirable components. Okay. See, a small stones present in rice can be harmful for our teeth and our body. It is necessary to remove them before cooking the rice. Tea leaves are separated from tea by using strainer. If you are not fond of chilies, you separate them from vegetable before eating. So separation of chili from food, separation of tea leaves from tea, separation of stones from rice, these all are necessary, these all are important. So because these components are undesirable components, so we have to remove it. Sometimes harmful substances are present in river water. They must be removed from supplied the water our home, and this is done at the water work in the towns and cities and the water filter used at homes. Okay, to remove all the impurities, all the components of mixture from water. Air contains many substances such as gases, smoke, dirt, particles. Our body requires only oxygen for respires. It is separates the oxygen and breathe out all the component. It means that we inhale all the components of water, but we just take oxygen into our body and exhale all the components of our body, from our body. Okay. Next reason is to obtain useful substance, to obtain useful components. Second one is just opposite to first reason. to obtain useful components or constituents. Okay, see, butter can be obtained from milk or curd by turning it. Crude oil or petroleum is a mixture of several useful components. Petrol, kerosene, diesel, tar, etc. are obtained by the separating them from crude oil. So these all components of mixture, like first petrol, kerosene, diesel, these come from mixture of crude oil. Okay, so these components are useful for us. Okay, so we separate these components because they all are useful components. Butter obtained from milk, so whatever the butter present in milk, okay, we know that milk is a mixture of water, butter and some other substances. So we can separate butter from milk because butter is useful components. Okay, so this is second reason. Let us talk about third reason. Okay, third reason, to obtain pure substances. To obtain pure substances. To obtain pure substances. Sometimes substances in their pure form are needed for use at home or for research work and their other purpose. For this, even minute amount of other substances present have been separated. So we can say that separation of substance is necessary and important because of these all three reasons. Okay, please write down in your copy.